Number 37, multiply the polynomial. We have 2x minus 7 times 2x plus 7. Well, again, we have two binomials here. We know when we have two binomials, we're going to FOIL. But in this case, notice that the only difference here is this middle sign, right? One's a negative, one's a positive, but we have a 2x and a 7, a 2x and a 7. And so in this case, these are called conjugates, meaning the sign in the middle here has changed. When you are multiplying conjugates together and they're binomials like this, you could do the whole FOIL process, absolutely not a problem. But to save yourself some time, especially on a test, you can go ahead and just do the F and the L, because when you multiply conjugates together, automatically the two middle terms always cancel out. So let's go ahead and do our first to our first. So 2x times 2x, well, that gives us 4x squared. I'm going to skip the outers, skip the inners, and go right to last. Negative 7 times positive 7 is minus 49. And so we end up with number 37, 4x squared minus 49. But let's say that you didn't recognize that these were conjugates and you went ahead and FOILed the whole thing together. Well, let's prove that we get the same answer no matter what. So we will start at the beginning again, and I'm just going to move this answer over here so that we can confirm that's what we're going to end up with. So let's do our first to our first. Well, we've already done that, so we know that that becomes 4x squared. Let's do our outside to our outside here. So 2x times positive 7, well, that gives us a positive 14x. Let's do our inners. Negative 7 times positive 2x, well, that's minus 14x. And our last to our last, which again we've already done, negative 7 times positive 7 is negative 49. Notice here, when we combine our like terms, a positive 14x minus a 14x, well, these things automatically go away, and the only two terms we're now left with are 4x squared and minus 49. These are not like terms, so we can't combine them, and so you see that we end up with the same answer no matter which way we do it, whether we do the whole FOIL process or just the first and the last. All right, so there's number 37, 4x squared minus 49.